And it's Friday the 16th of March, and I am here at my house. Tiffany! Dirt.
You know your face is going to be very dark in the video.
I know. I don't turn on light. It burns.
Stupid little vampire.
I'm not no vampire. I just don't like the light because it's too bright. Yeah. Forgot what I was going to say. So I'm just going to talk like this. She told me to get on my stupid little video, and yet she watched the first ones. I admit they weren't the best.
Nope.
Tiffany, please be polite. As you can tell, Tiffany's back from her vacation.
Yay.
Aren't we all happy?
No, I want to go back.
We want you to go back too, Tiffany. Me. I really don't know what to talk about.
Dead puppies and falling chandeliers.
What? Tiffany's interesting. Quite. Oh, we did this test today where you had to do the beep test. I think it's pace something test or another. In health/personal fitness. All gym classes had to do it. We had to run from the line to the line. And I want to congratulate Will. I call him a stranger because I don't know him. Yes, Will. He has the new highest record. It's 100 and either 40 or 50. I wasn't paying too much attention, you can tell. I was lazy and stopped. Yes.
What?
After 40 because I was done.
What?
Okay, you guys, I think you've met one of my kitties. Well, here's the other one. He escaped.
And was in the backyard.
And
Tiffany
was
had to
in
go
the
get him.
backyard. There's Tiffany. His name is Skimble.
Skimble Shank.
Shank.
Stop moving, kid.
And there's Tino staring at us like we're crazy, but you know we are, so we accept that. Talking about, oh well, there's the cat. There isn't really much more to talk about, so Megan, I'll see you Saturday for the project. Everyone else, bye.